So this question is a translate word problem question. We're also provided with an equation here, which is not typical of a translate word problem question, so I'm going to pay attention to that. I call it a TWP just because it's a very long question, so I'm going to need to translate what I read here. So the first sentence says a person used a total of 265 kilocalories while walking and running on a treadmill. Oh, 265 matches with that 265. So maybe what I should expect to see here is that we're going to get a description of what this equation means. Let's continue to see if that's the case. Running at a constant rate required 11.5. There we go. So this X must be for running. 11.5 kilocalories per minute, and walking at a constant rate required 3.5. Okay, so I was right. So this is just a description of the equation. So X is for running, Y is for walking. We have our total calories at 265. The relationship between the number of minutes running X and the number of minutes walking Y, so we got that figured out, is given given by the equation shown. If this person ran for 20 minutes, okay, so they ran for 20 minutes. So we're dealing with this portion of the equation here. How many minutes did this person walk? So we're trying to figure out, well, what would Y equal? So if we have 11.5 kilocalories per minute, and we know that there were 20 minutes. I can multiply by 20 minutes so that my minutes unit can cross out. I can then multiply 11.5 times 20. So I'm going to do that. 11.5 times 20. Multiply 0 by all three digits up top. And then 2 by 5, which is 10. So carry the 1. 2 by 1 is 2, plus 1 is 3. 2 by 1 is 2. This ends up being 230. This decimal place moves this here once, so really the answer is 230, as I said. So that means that the running portion of this equation is 230. So I can replace this 11.5x and call that 230. So my new equation then would say 230 plus 3.5y equals 265. So I can subtract 230 from both sides, and I end up with 3.5y equals 35. I then divide both sides by 3.5, and I end up with y is equal to 10. So the minutes walked is 10 minutes, and therefore our answer is choice D.